Hello friends, let's try to understand how to perform One Way ANOVA in Microsoft Excel. One Way ANOVA, also known as analysis of variance, is a statistical method used to test whether there are statistically significant differences between the means of three or more independent groups. It helps us to determine if at least one of the group mean is different from others or not, without specifying where is the difference. So one way ANOVA is a omnibus test. So here you can identify the difference between mean difference between two or more than two groups. So let's take an example. Here you can see, for example, we have taken exam score of three different divisions, and from each division we have taken sample of 20 students, and we have three division 1, 2 and 3. And now suppose we would like to check whether the mean exam score between these three divisions is different or not. Then we can run one way ANOVA, and if we want to formulate the hypothesis, then it will goes like this. For one way ANOVA, null hypothesis can be stated as all group means are equal. It means when we are talking about exam score of division 1, 2 and 3, in null hypothesis we are assuming mean exam score is equal, and vice versa in alternative hypothesis we are assuming at least one group mean is different from other. So with that note, let's try to understand how to perform one way ANOVA in Excel. You have to click here on data tab, go to data analysis option, and there is one option ANOVA single factor. So you just have to click here. Here you need to give input range. So this is our input range. Then we need to define whether the data is grouped by column or row. So here you can see that our data is grouped by columns, so that what I have selected, and I have checked this table as well because data is given with labels. Alpha we are capturing as 0.05, and I want output somewhere here, so this is my output range. And now we just need to click OK. Once you click here, it will generate data, and the table has been generated. Let's try to understand it. So there are three groups we can see here. This is sum of the score, this is n, this is average score, so this is average exam score, and this is variance of exam score. So we'll be looking to ANOVA table, and here you can see the difference between groups where we need to focus more. And from here, for quick interpretation, we should focus on p-value. Here we can see that p-value is 0.00. So when our p-value is 0.00, we can consider that p-value is less than 0.05. So as per the thumb rule, null hypothesis is rejected and alternative hypothesis is accepted. So our alternative hypothesis is that all groups are not equal and at least one group mean is different from other. So now we can conclude that there is a statistically significant difference between mean of at least one of the exam score of the division. I hope you understood it properly. Thank you so much.